the chief guest on this occasion, worthy colleagues, dear parents, and my dear students. Today, we are celebrating, the nation is celebrating 75 years of Independence Day celebrations. On this occasion, we gathered here to house the flag and celebrate the nation's festival. So on this August occasion, I would like to request our honorable principal sir to hoist the flag, and it is followed by national anthem.
Salute. Order.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. I request all of you to take positions. But the India is rising again for its grand celebrations of the nation. So let us start this program with a patriotic song by Neepa Madam, our music teacher.
Thank you.
auspicious occasion, it is our duty to remind the sacrifices of the great leaders and unsung leaders. How can we forget the glorious past? How can we forget the sacrifices of the innumerable martyrs? So, it is our duty to remind the sacrifices of the great leaders. Now I request Aditya Kumar Gupta sir to
JSA. JSA. JSA.
JSA to speak few words on this.
Good morning, all present, all the teachers. Good morning, all present here, all the teachers and the students, also who are watching online this occasion of celebration Independence Day from their home. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day, and I am feeling very proud that I got the opportunity to speak on this occasion. From last 75 years, from 15th August 1947 to till date up to 15th August 2021, India has achieved great feats and great heights. Whether it's a field of science and research, in the agriculture, in the community participation, in the infrastructure and development. Yes, the growth is slow, as it is not easy to starve 130 million citizens of a country to provide food, shelter and clothes to each and every one of an individual. Yes, it is time consuming, but we never look backward. And the day is not far when all the below poverty line citizens also and the marginal sections of the society also, that they will be at par level with the all that the written the part of the in the constitution right to equality, that all will be equal. From east to west, from north to south, whether there are cultural differences, there are different dialects or languages, there are some different natural resources in each and every where different regions, but India is united. At the time of crisis also, at the time of rivalry, whether in the last few years we have seen whether the rivalry between India and China, India and Pakistan, and India and Nepal also, we can say with other countries also. India has proved that it stands. And all are united, we should feel proud. In the term of defense also, we can say whether in air, land or underground, that is water, India has proved its strength, and India has shown whether in the form of artillery and guns, tanks, or whether any ammunition, India has shown that it is comparable or it is in the list of strongest nation in the world. Now, I will talk about the citizens, whether the person is a labor force or the daily wage earners or the, we can say, street vendors who are standing outside. Each and everyone, directly or indirectly linked with the welfare or with rendering their services for the country's development. We should not ask anything in return from the country. It is our duty that we should render our services for the citizens, for the nation. People are from the country, not the country is from the people. Whether we go anything outside the world also, you will be recognized from their country. And I can say that our freedom fighters, our leaders, great revolutionaries, women revolutionaries and the young warriors who fought courageously and sacrificed their life for our nation India, that we should feel proud, and it was not fight between the India and the Britishers. It was the fight, or it was show the humanity that how much India is strong, how it is united, and how much it is that empower all the young warriors. From that, we reached at this level that today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. We should salute them, and in the last, I will say that we got independence in 1947. Now we are again fighting for the freedom from this disease, COVID, and we all have to share hands or companion or united together so that we can get rid of this disease also. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड मैं लास्ट में हिंदी में कुछ कहना चाहूँगा। वो वक्त चला गया, वो वक्त था, वो वक्त चला गया, वो वक्त था, भारत की मिट्टी को बनाने में सबका रक्त था। कह देना आने वाली पुश्तों को, संतानों को, अफवाहें नहीं है ये सब कुछ, भारत का नाम पहले भी इतिहास में सुनहरे पन्नों में दर्ज था। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your beautiful thoughts, views on independent India. Sir, in fact, emphasized the peace, prosperity, security, and progress of the country. And he also reminded the great sacrifices of the leaders. And I want to remind one more quotation that ask not what country gave to you, ask always what you gave to the country. That is told by John F. Kennedy, American president. Now let us move forward to the program. Now we are going to have patriotic dance. is patriotic flower. Thank you once again. Now, we are going to have another speech by one of the students from secondary, Vanshita. Pratiksha.
जिंदगी क्या हो जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, वो जिंदगी क्या हो जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, वो मौत ही क्या हो जो तिरंगे में लिपटी ना हो, वो मौत ही क्या हो जो तिरंगे में लिपटी ना हो. Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. This is Pratiksha Mohalik of class 6th C stand before you to say some words on the behalf of Independence Day. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being an Indian and to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. Before independence, India was a British colony, and during that period, our people suffered a lot and sacrificed their lives. These difficult times and struggle must not be allowed to be fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to those ones who fought for us, to those ones who had a vision for our country. After independence, we got our own constitution and are able to enjoy our fundamental rights. We should not forget the sacrifices of all the freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, and millions of others whose names are not known, but they fought to make India free from the British rule. We should rear up the legacy of होने की इजाजत ना कोई ले सकता है ना कोई दे सकता है. वतन का रास्ता तो रूह से होता है, वतन का रास्ता तो रूह से होता है. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. हम बुलबुले हैं इसके ये गुलसिता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके ये गुलसिता हमारा. सलामी दे इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सलामी दे इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है. सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है. जय हिंद. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Pratiksha. Your words conveyed clear message which is louder and clear, and your thoughts and ideas represent the ideas of young minds. Thank you very much. Now, we are moving to next program. Normally, we dance for fun and entertainment, fear and hopes. But the primary children are going to dance for the country. Now, I invite the primary children to perform the group dance on patriotic song.
Sir, starting.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare. Sin sin pola pola, sin sin pola, sin sin pola pola, sin sin pola. Pan pan pechola, drum drum chuplet, simbora simbora. Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। I love my India, I love my India.
Gopi Krishna sir, Saujanya madam, and Annapurna. So they themselves came forward and presented this item. I once again thank the parents too. Now it is the time for chief guest message. May I now request our beloved chief guest, Principal C.H. Baburao sir, to address the gathering.
As our flag rolls up high, let every fall bring pride, glory, and joy to your heart. May you exist to witness all the dreams we have for this country come true. आदरणीय अतिथिगण और अध्यापकगण, प्रिय साथियों, प्यारा बच्चों और अभिभावकगण, आप सबको और मेरा तरफ से स्वतंत्र दिवस का शुभकामनाएं। अगस्त 15 भारत देश का गर्व और सौभाग्य का दिवस है। इस पर हमारा देश में नवीन स्फूर्ति, नवीन आशा, उत्साह तथा देशभक्ति का संचार है। स्वतंत्र दिवस हमें इस बात की याद दिलाता है हमने कितनी कुर्बानियों देखकर यह आजादी प्राप्त की है, जिसकी रक्षा हमें हर कीमत पर करनी है, चाहे हम इसको लिए अपने प्राणों का त्याग क्यों ना करना है। चाहे इस प्रकार हम स्वतंत्र दिवस के पर्व को पूर्ण उत्साह, उमंग और जोश के साथ मनाते हैं और राष्ट्र के स्वतंत्रता और सार्वभौमिकता की रक्षा के प्रण लेते हैं। अंत में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे जिससे तेरी शान है। सर हमेशा ऊंच रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है। मैं सबको, सभी बच्चे को, to all the children who have expressed their views in respect of Independence Day, so I thank each and every child. Okay. Varshita, Pratiksha for performing a wonderful dance and a wonderful speech, and the child Savere Krishna Gorinta, 5th class, and his team for performing a wonderful patriotic dance, which was choreographed by Mrs. Saujanya, our PGT computer science teacher. So I thank all the parents who have permitted them for performing a wonderful dance on the stage. बच्चों और अध्यापकगण, आप सब लोग को जानते हैं 18 months over. Okay, by seeing the program on the stage. 18 महीना हो गया स्टेज पे ऐसा प्रोग्राम देख के. So once again, I am very much thankful to these children for showing a wonderful performance. पहले whenever there are that offline classes, स्कूल था, तब अगस्त 15 को, जनवरी 26 को हम क्या फैंसी ड्रेस कंडक्ट करते हैं ना. So we used to give prizes also. So on that day, our children used to come like different leaders, Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Sarojini Naidu, and so on. ऐसा आता था. लेकिन ये ड्रीम हमको आज फुलफिल किया हमारा JSA जूनियर सेक्रेटरी असिस्टेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ भगत सिंह replica. Hope you all agree with me. So also उसका स्पीच भी बहुत बढ़िया था. लगता है until and unless you get chance, you can't prove anything. एक बार किसी को भी चांस दीजिए, definitely they will prove it. It was proved by Mr. Aditya Kumar Gupta, JSA Junior Secretary Assistant of our Vidyalaya. Aditya ji, God bless you, my dear boy. बहुत बढ़िया. So, I am very much thankful to Ravi Kumar, PGT English, CCA in charge, who has taken a lot of pains for conducting this program. My thanks are due to Miss Neepa Pramanik, music teacher, बहुत बढ़िया conduct किया program. And I am also thankful to Mr. Vinod, our teacher, and Shiv Kumar, Saujanya madam, for their wonderful that decoration and all. And so also पहले अकबर अंसारी हमारा PET महोदय को we can't forget his service on this day. So there are so many to be named. So I thank each and everyone. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful and motivational words. In fact, your words, your views and thoughts will set a new path for the children in the years to come. Thank you so much, sir. With this, we complete the ceremony and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.
Leave. Okay? Refreshment means we are giving in the form of fruits only, because we should not take anything from outside, na? Easily. I request that refreshment